Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into a technology that is already, right now, reshaping our world: artificial intelligence. And no, we're not talking about science fiction robots. We're talking about the real AI that you're using every single day, probably without even thinking about it. So, let's get into it.
So, let me just start with a question for you. How many times have you already used AI just today? Seriously, think about it for a second. Did you unlock your phone with your face? Maybe you asked a smart speaker for the weather report. Or did you get a traffic update for your commute? Yeah, the answer is almost definitely more than you think.
Okay, so what is this thing we call AI? You hear the term everywhere. Well, our source material gives us this really simple but powerful definition. Think of it as a man-made thinking power. That's it. It's the whole science of building computer systems that can do things that would normally take a human brain. And that one simple idea, well, it's the key to everything we're going to talk about today. First up, let's look at where AI pops up in your day-to-day. It's kind of funny, it works so seamlessly in the background, from the moment your alarm goes off to the playlist you wind down with at night, then most of the time, we don't even see it's there. You know, a huge part of the AI we use every day really just boils down to one simple thing: communication. We want to be able to talk to our devices and, have them actually get what we're saying. And that's where a really key part of AI comes into play.
That field is called natural language processing, or NLP for short. You can think of it as the magic that lets machines understand, interpret, and even spit out human language. I mean, every time you ask Siri for a random fact, or get help from a customer service chatbot online, or use an app to translate a menu, that's NLP doing the heavy lifting. It's even how your streaming service can understand your taste well enough to recommend the next show you're going to binge.
And this really gets to the heart of the bigger picture. As our source material puts it, AI allows machines to replicate the capabilities of the human mind. So all these little tools we use every day, they're not just conveniences. They're actually stepping stones in this incredibly ambitious human project. All right, so beyond our homes and our phones, AI is also completely changing how we get around. From our daily drive to work to these massive global supply chains, it's reshaping the entire journey from point A to point B. But hang on. Before we dive into self-driving cars and all that, it is absolutely crucial to understand this one distinction. All the AI that we have today, every single example, is what we call narrow AI. That means it's designed to do one specific thing really well, like playing chess or spotting faces, sometimes even better than we can. The other kind, general AI, a machine that can think and reason about anything like a person, that's still the goal for the future. So everything we're about to talk about, it's all narrow AI. And this is where narrow AI just absolutely shines. See, a self-driving car isn't just one single AI. It's actually a whole collection of specialized AIs all working together. It's the same kind of tech that helps your map app find the fastest route by analyzing live traffic, or even helps a mechanic predict that a part on your car is about to fail way before it actually breaks down. Okay, so AI is in our homes, it's on our roads, but you could argue that its biggest impact is happening in the professional world. It's becoming this essential tool across pretty much every major industry you can think of. One of the main ways industries use AI is by creating what's called an expert system. The idea here is to basically capture all the knowledge and the decision-making skills of a human expert in one specific area, and then apply that logic at a speed and a scale that no single human being ever could.
And the way it works is surprisingly simple. First, you feed the system just a mountain of data. Let's say patient symptoms or financial records. Then, the AI uses its expert programming to scan all that data for patterns. And finally, it spits out a recommendation, like suggesting a possible diagnosis or flagging a credit card charge that looks like fraud.
And this shows you just how powerful that is. Take finance. An AI can sift through millions, even billions of transactions in real time. And while nearly all of them are totally normal, the AI is trained to spot that tiny, tiny fraction that just doesn't look right. It's literally finding a digital needle in a haystack, and it saves people and companies a fortune. So AI can handle numbers, and it can handle text, but it's also learning to see. And this is the world of computer vision. a field that's all about letting machines understand what's happening in pictures and videos. We're basically giving machines a sense of sight.
So what does an AI see?
Well, in a factory, it can spot a microscopic flaw on a part that's zipping by on an assembly line. In a hospital, it can analyze an X-ray or an MRI, helping a doctor find signs of a disease way earlier than the human eye might catch it. It's a total game changer for safety and for precision. So we've seen AI in our phones, in our cars, in our biggest industries. Where is all this heading? What does it all mean? The big takeaway here isn't about humans being replaced, it's about collaboration. We are stepping into a brand new era of partnership between people and AI. Let's just do a quick recap. As we've seen, AI is already making waves in every major sector. In healthcare, it's speeding up diagnosis. In finance, it's managing risk. Transportation, it's optimizing logistics. Business, it's personalizing how companies talk to you. And in robotics, it's letting machines move around and interact with the world on their own. It's not coming soon, it is here. At the end of the day, this technology is a tool, a seriously powerful tool, an expert assistant, a second pair of eyes. And as it gets more and more capable, the question for all of us isn't if we'll work with AI anymore, but how. So I'll leave you with this to think about. Now that AI is everywhere, what is our role going to be right alongside it?